Space, vast and cold. It holds secrets, dangers unseen. Among them, rogue black holes. Imagine a monster, a cosmic drain, devouring everything. That's a black hole, a collapsed star, gravity so strong not even light escapes. These black holes are born from dying stars, but some they wander. Rogue black holes, cast adrift, roaming the cosmos, unseen until it's too late. A silent predator lurking in the darkness between stars. Our solar system, a haven, is a speck in this vastness. We are vulnerable, clinging to our star, the sun. But what if a wanderer, a rogue black hole, set its sights on us? Imagine this. Astronomers detect anomalies in the orbits of distant comets, their paths disrupted. Something massive, unseen, is pulling on them. The culprit? A rogue black hole, nearing the edge of our solar system. Panic spreads through the scientific community. Calculations are made, predictions dire. This black hole, a cosmic interloper, is on a collision course, and our solar system is directly in its path. The public, initially skeptical, is gripped by fear as news spreads. The unseen threat, a monster in the dark, is coming for us. The countdown begins, each tick of the clock a hammer blow to our collective sanity. First to feel the black hole's pull are the outer giants, Uranus, Neptune. Their orbits, once predictable, become erratic. Their gaseous atmospheres, the first victims, begin to distort and stretch towards the unseen intruder. Pluto, a dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system, is ripped from its orbit. A lonely sentinel swallowed whole by the approaching abyss. This is just a taste, a grim foreshadowing of the devastation to come. Comets, once icy wanderers, are flung like missiles through the solar system. Some are ejected into interstellar space, others set on a collision course with planets, including our own. We are sitting ducks, awaiting the inevitable. The inner solar system is next. Once a harmonious ballet of celestial bodies, it now faces an inevitable doom. Jupiter, the giant, puts up a fight. The largest planet in our solar system, it has always been a protector, its massive gravity shielding the inner planets from countless comets and asteroids. But now its immense gravity is a futile shield against the black hole's pull. The very force that once protected is now its downfall. The gas giant, once a king, is stripped bare. Its atmosphere, a swirling tempest of gases, is drawn inexorably into the black hole's maw, disappearing into the abyss. Mars, a rusty world, stands no chance. Known as the Red Planet, it has long been a symbol of potential life and human exploration. Its orbit decays rapidly, the planet itself cracking under the immense gravitational strain. The surface, once home to ancient riverbeds and towering volcanoes, fractures and crumbles. The Red Planet, once a symbol of potential life, is reduced to rubble. Piece by piece, it is devoured by the cosmic monster, leaving nothing but memories of what could have been. Asteroids, remnants of a bygone era, are flung about like dust motes in a storm. These ancient rocks, which have drifted through space for eons, are now caught in the chaotic gravitational dance. Some collide with planets, leaving scars on their surfaces. These impacts, violent and sudden, mark the end of an era and the beginning of a new, darker chapter. The solar system, once a place of order, is now a chaotic dance of destruction. The planets, moons, and asteroids that once moved in predictable paths are now ensnared in a deadly waltz, spiraling towards their inevitable end. A cosmic dance of destruction. Earth, our home. We watch in horror as the familiar constellations distort, stars seeming to swirl around a growing void in the sky. The black hole, no longer a distant threat, dominates our sky. Tides rage, earthquakes split continents, volcanoes erupt, spewing molten rock and ash into the sky. The planet groans, its very core rebelling against the cosmic forces tearing it apart. The end is swift. Our planet, once teeming with life, is stretched and warped, then pulled apart. The remnants of our civilization, our history, our very existence swallowed by the black hole. The sun's demise. Even the sun, our star, the anchor of our solar system, cannot withstand the black hole's insatiable hunger. Its fiery outer layers are drawn towards the event horizon, the point of no return. The sun, once a giver of life, becomes a victim. Its fuel, consumed at an accelerated rate, begins to dwindle. The solar wind, once a gentle caress, becomes a raging torrent. The solar system, once bathed in the sun's warmth, is plunged into darkness. The black hole, having consumed everything in its path, sits at the center of a now empty system, a cosmic tombstone. Oblivion's grip. The black hole, its hunger momentarily satiated, continues its journey through the Milky Way. Our solar system, once a vibrant tapestry of planets and life, is no more. Just a faint echo, a whisper in the cosmic wind. The probability of such an event is astronomically small, but the universe is vast. Its mysteries beyond our comprehension. In the infinite expanse of space and time, anything is possible. The destruction of our solar system serves as a stark reminder of our place in the universe. We are but a small, fragile species, clinging to a rock, hurtling through space. Our existence, precious but fleeting. A glimmer of hope. Some theorists propose that black holes, while destructive, might also be creators. These cosmic giants, often seen as the ultimate end, could paradoxically be the harbingers of new beginnings. The immense energy released as matter falls into a black hole could, in some distant future, spark the birth of new stars, new galaxies. This process, though violent and chaotic, might be the universe's way of recycling itself, turning destruction into creation. Could there be a universe beyond the event horizon, a universe born from the ashes of our own? This idea, while speculative, opens up fascinating possibilities about the nature of our cosmos. A universe where perhaps some form of life might emerge again. Life that could be fundamentally different from what we know, shaped by the unique conditions of a new cosmos. It is a tantalizing thought, a glimmer of hope in the face of oblivion. The idea that from the depths of darkness, light and life could once again find a way to emerge. But for now, these remain questions unanswered, mysteries yet to be unraveled. Our understanding of black holes and their potential is still in its infancy, and much remains to be discovered. The universe holds its secrets close, and we are left to ponder our fate amongst the stars. As we continue to explore and learn, we may one day unlock the answers to these profound questions and perhaps find our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. The Universe Uncaring. The destruction of our solar system, while a chilling thought, is but a blip in the grand scheme of the universe. The cosmos, in its vast expanse, operates on a scale that is almost incomprehensible to the human mind. Stars are born, they live, and they die. This cycle of creation and destruction is a fundamental aspect of the universe. They die in spectacular supernovae, spreading elements across the cosmos. Galaxies collide in slow-motion dances that take billions of years. Black holes consume everything in their path, from stars to entire solar systems. And yet, through all this chaos and wonder, the universe continues, indifferent to our fate. It is a place of both incredible beauty and unimaginable violence. We are left to confront the enormity of space, the vastness of time, and the humbling realization that we are but a small part of something far greater than ourselves. The stars we see in the night sky are but a fraction of the countless stars that exist. Our existence, while precious, is ultimately transient. We are here for a brief moment in the grand timeline of the universe. Our lives, our civilizations, and even our planet are temporary. The universe has seen the rise and fall of countless stars and planets, and it will continue to do so long after we are gone. So, as we gaze up at the night sky, let us remember the power and the beauty of the universe, but also its indifference. It is a reminder of our place in the cosmos and the fleeting nature of our existence. The twinkling stars and the majestic Milky Way are not just beautiful sights. They are symbols of the vast, uncaring universe that surrounds us. For in the end, the cosmos is a vast and unforgiving place, filled with wonders and dangers beyond our comprehension. It is a place where time stretches infinitely and space expands endlessly. And we are all just along for the ride, passengers on a tiny blue dot, floating through the vastness of space, trying to make sense of our place in this grand, indifferent universe.